Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel Let's Speak in English. Here is third day of English speaking. First of all, we're going to learn how to ask simple questions and answer them. How to use do you and how to use can you correctly when you asking simple questions. Let's we explain where we use do you for question. Use do you for habits and likes. For example, you asking question, do you play cricket? The playing cricket is habit or someone like to play cricket. So when we asking the question using do you, this link to habit or like. For example, do you play cricket? Or next question, do you go to school? So when you use do you, this one for habits and likes. And on other side, use can you for ability. If someone can do something, then you can ask the question, can you? For example, can you cook? If someone know how to cook, you can ask them question, can you cook? Or other question you can ask, can you dance? This is a very simple question for fluency in English speaking. So we practice these questions again. First one, we trying to practice do you. Do you play cricket? If someone play cricket, that's his habit or likes, he can answer, yes, I do. This means he play cricket. If he don't like or don't play cricket, he can answer I don't. This means he not playing cricket, he don't like cricket, or he not interested in cricket. On other side, we explain can you. Can you is a simple question when you asking can you cook? If someone cooking or he can cook or she can cook, they can answer yes I can. This is very simple answer too. And if they don't cook or they don't know how to cook, then they can answer no I can't. This is simple answer as well. Now let's practice common daily question. You can ask these simple questions and answer them. This build a fluency in your speaking. For example, do you like tea? In answer, yes, I like tea. And you can ask other question, can you speak English? And answer, yes, I speak English little bit. Or if you fluent, yes, I speak English. And next question you can ask, what do you do? And answer is, I'm a student or I'm a worker. And next one, where do you live? I live in Bombay or I live in Delhi, whatever city, this will be answer. And how old are you? I'm 25-year-old or 27-year-old. What is your age? You can tell according to your age how old you are. Let's I give you 5 new words. You can use these words in sentence, make sentence for yourself and use these words in your daily communication when you're talking to someone else. First word I give you is early. Early means before the usual or expected time. For example, in sentence, I wake up early. You can use this word in your communication. Next word is hungry. Hungry means feeling the need or desire to eat. And for example, in sentence, I'm feeling hungry. And third word is busy. Busy means occupied with work or activity. You are very busy schedule. You don't have time for anything and you are very busy in work. For example, I'm busy right now. And fourth word I give you is idea. Idea means a thought or suggestion about something. For example, in sentence, that's a good idea. And fifth word is practice. Practice means to do something repeatedly to improve a skill. For example, you practice learning English. You repeating this activity again and again to improve your skill. For example, in sentence, practice make perfect. You can use these five words in your communication while you're talking. These are the vocabulary word for you for today, and you can write sentence about you using these words. Let's we do some short dialogue practice for your fluency. Hello, how are you? I'm good, thank you. And yourself? I'm fine. Do you live nearby? Yes, I live near Wentworth Road. Can you speak English? Yes, I can speak English little bit. You can practice these short dialogues with your friend. Hopefully you like this lesson and you can subscribe the channel as well. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.